Today we will see the ISO system, quality policy and management. First up we'll get ISO system, a set of quality standard governing the documentation requirement of a system. That is standardization policy system, any product. ISO 9001 GEM 2008, then upgradation ISO 14000 GEM 2004, ISO 17025 and SA 8000. That is ISO system our. That is Indian Standard Organization. Then different contents. Then we get so the next point of the what is strategy and vision of our product. Meaning of strategy, strategy, quality management, vision and mission statement, quality policy, quality objective, strategic planning and implementation. Then I can see 7S model, competitiveness analysis and management commitment to quality. First, meaning of strategy. What is strategy? Strategy is defined for the method of plan chosen to bring about the desired future, such as achievement of a goal or solution to a problem. That is strategy. Strategy defines the main 2 points, quality and efficiency, and then find out the cost is minimum any product. The art of science of planning and marshalling resources for the most efficient and effective use. That is term derived from the Greek word for generalship. That is the word from the generalship. Then strategic quality management. First, the adoption of quality management system should be a strategic decision made by the organization's top management. Organization top management must provide evidence and demonstration their commitment for QMS and continual improvement by communicating the importance of meeting customer of any regulatory requirements, ensuring the quality objective and performing management review and providing appropriate resources. That is different strategy of quality management. Then what is the vision and mission of our product statement? First, creating and organizing vision and mission statements are different two steps for the planning process. Any product we get planning process for different two steps for vision of product and mission of our product. Developing a vision and mission statement is crucial to the success of community initiatives. These statements of our group experiments, a concise manner, help our organization focus what is really important and provide a basis of developing other aspects of our strategic planning. That is, first we have defined the vision and mission of our different two steps for the planning process for any product. Then what is vision statements? Different about for the vision. Your vision is your dream. It's what your organization believes are the ideal condition. Whatever your organization dreams is, it may be well actuated. One more vision statements. Vision statements are short phrases and sentences that convey the company hopes and depends on company futures. By developing a vision statement, your organization clarifies beliefs, governing principle of your organizations. First for yourself and greater community. Then what is vision statement? First we have say the vision statement. Then different about the general vision statement should be first but understood and shared by the member of the community, group member, broad enough to include diverse variety of local perspectives, inspiring the uplifting of everyone involved. Your effort easy to communicate. These main 4 points of the vision statement for genuine. Then some of example of our vision statement. First, caring communities, good food, good life. Then organizational measure statement describe what the group is going to do and why it's going for do that. For example, promoting care and caring the end of life through coalition and advocacy. Mission statements are similar for vision statements. Mission statements are similar for vision statement in that they took the big picture. However, they are more concrete and they are definitely more action oriented. The vision statement, your vision should inspire people to dream, and your mission statement should inspire them to action. Vision statement inspired to dream and mission statement inspired to take action. Then general guideline principle about the statement that they are concerned, outcome oriented, inclusive. First we get consent. While not short vision statement, mission statement generally still get their point across in one sentence. Outcome oriented mission statements explain the fundamental outcomes your organization is working to achieve. Then inclusive, while mission statement do make statements about your group's key goals. It's very important that they do so very broadly. Good mission statements are not limiting in the strategies or sectors, communicating that are become involved in the project. For example, promoting community health and development by connecting people, ideas and resources. That is examples for the concerned, outcome oriented and inclusive of our mission statement. Then next topic is our quality policy. First we get strategy, then strategy for vision and mission statement. Then difference we are see vision and mission statement. Then we are see what is quality policy. It is policy only true definition of quality that counts your organizations. Make sure the policy builds on current cooperative objective and values. It must be integrated with those concepts. Part of reason you need to retain quality policy is to make your employee understand that their job effect of the product quality and their success of the company. Employee must be made aware about the individual contribution is important to the company's overall success. That is depend on our quality policy. Then establishing the quality policy where for ISO standard as per Indian standard organization 9001 GEM 2009. It should be checked that the evidence of top management have participated in the creation of the quality policy and are reviewing and maintaining it. You should review quality policy for which purpose determine the where the appropriate concerned organization and its purpose. That is continually improving of quality management system, that is QEMS. Quality objective consistently quality of your policy. That is top management should demonstrate of the quality policy and compatible strategic direction and contents of the organization act required by clause. That is quality policy. Top management should be qualified policy is appropriate by the organization, includes a community to requirement and continuity improvement, provides basis of establishing and quality objective and understood within the organization and review will sustain continuously. Today we will get three different topics. First of strategy, ISO standards, then vision and mission statement and short about the quality policy. Then we will